Okay, if you've been watching the last 4 videos and you saw how bad this beam was, all rebuilt with epoxy. Like I said, it takes quite a few layers. Don't want to do big, thick stuff at one time. But this particular epoxy has a higher tensile strength than wood, so the beam is actually stronger when you're done. This is over 100-year-old house that we're refurbishing, and downstairs now done. This isn't the only beam. There's actually quite a few of them that were, each one needed a little bit done to it. That was just a crack that was real nasty, but there was some really bad dry rot down here, which you could barely even tell anymore. Peeled that piece off, filled in the gap in between, and then glued it back in with the epoxy. There you go.